what up, y'all? My name's Ethan. I'm back posting, and we're gonna join random Animal Company lobbies and just do random stuff. So, yeah.
I need 2 grapplers. I need 2 grapplers.
This is a ginormous, almost like this. I'm just gonna shove this in my stash. What the heck is this?
That's mine.
Oh, that's yours? Yeah, sorry. No, science, my side. I didn't know it was yours, sorry.
No.
Take it.
Is there any way to wait?
I'm sorry, I didn't know it was yours.
Okay.
Oh, someone.
Dude, can you get me? A chicken? That's my chicken. I already ate it.
Give him the chicken. Alright, well, I'm just gonna shove this in my storage. Yank.
What the hell? I don't know.
Alright. So I'm gonna play Arena Rage. Go.
I want to too.
Give me more broccoli.
Ooh,
I need more broccoli.
Oh my god, you are so big.
Oh my god, bro, you're lagging my server.
Do you like Arena?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude, I can't see. Where'd he go? Oh, he died!
So you guys are wondering why I'm posting again. It's just I wanna take off those old videos and I'm putting some new gaming videos now.
You know what, broccoli?
So I'm just waiting.
I'm back.
Yo, is this gonna start or what, fam?
Broccoli out. I want broccoli. No, it doesn't. But everyone's so big. Guys, I want to get Godzilla. Guys, I want to get out broccoli.
Okay. Let's get back in another show.
Wait.
We can't start it. It's starting in 15.
I'm trying to get red.
Red teams clap, low key. Red teams clap. Red teams clap.
Buy a record. I buy a record.
Should I? Guys, hey bro, guys, I'm black like my fellow country American.
What?
Hey, country American, we're both black.
I made it back.
Hey.
Watch out.
Hi, gentlemen. How was your day going? Splendid? Good.
He's here.
I gotta keep going.
Gentlemen, I've been asking how your day is going. Why?
Oh, you're dead.
My bad.
I'm new.
No, you're not, bro. You have Valentine's clothing, bro. You're kind of OG, bro. This kid is not new, bro.
I killed someone.
Nuh-uh, you didn't.
Wait, how do I get down there?
I need to find a rocket launcher, quick. Dynamite. Grenade. Out. Rocket.
Oh, RPG!
You got an RPG? Nice. Blood didn't expect it. I'm just gonna play this round and then.
Single the wildcat.
Bruh.
Oh, you probably forgot that. Easy kills.
Oh my god. Easy kills. What are you on, buddy boy?
Up exactly.
Teleport grenade. Oh my god, can I grab this grenade?
Buddy, banana boy, that ain't working.
And out! So
Easy kill, spin on. Easy kill, spin on.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
I didn't grab a gun.
exactly. Easy kill.
You do not shoot my teammates, you fellow countrymen. Let's go get their base, ladies and gentlemen. I recommend you to stop finding our stuff before I beat your ass.
Exactly, you're cooked.
We're so mad. American experience.
I'm so mad right now. I'm shit you. Yeah, sit down. Yo.
Buddy, you died 19 times. To me.
He's mining our stuff. Stop it, bad boy. Stop it.
You're clapped. Oh, crap.
No, you're not getting me today, ladies and gentlemen.
Yo, bing bing.
Bro.
What was that cat?
Yeah, man. Shut your 2-year-old ass up, bro. You haven't even learned your ABCs. We're gonna make you to stay on. Gracias, senor.
You guys are gonna lose.
You guys are gonna let shut your. Bro.
Oh, bye, bro.
I'm grabbing shotguns this time. Oh, I haven't gotten my daily research points. You know, you see my god. And I will always love you. Arr. Excuse me, Platz. I need to look. Nah. You just got clapped, buddy. No. Congratulations, you got clapped.
Okay, buddy, you can't be talking.
Okay, buddy, you can't be talking, bro. You got clapped twice in a row, bro. I'll spawn. Dude, reach it. I'm out of bullets. I'm out of bullets. I need more bullets. Hi, banana guy.
Red, you're trying to be toxic. How much? Oh, I'm not that kid.
Oh my god, I don't like you. Toxic? How am I toxic? How am I toxic, buddy?
I was being toxic.
Not you, the other red.
Wasn't being toxic.
Ivana Cadabra.
Yeah, it was the cat.
Stop shooting it! I said stop it! I don't like you.
Stop being toxic.
You just got clapped. You just got absolutely.
You're gonna get clapped right now, bro. Plus, your little boyfriend's will defend you. You do not want to hear it. Yeah, you just got clapped. You just got clapped. You just got clapped. Now sit down, good boy.
Sit down.
Good boy.
Missing on.
You know, I'm not good.
My shot.
You're not gonna talk shit.
I'm not gonna.
Boom, boom,
Ow.
Alright, guys. Well,
Good game.
Bye, guys.
Where is